Welcome back, Spain, to your Caribou Data Science channel. I have a bonus report for you. That's right. Today, there's two reports for the price of one. In addition to the data number, I'll also be rolling out the weekly COVID-19 vaccine rollout data for the country of Spain. Before we get started, I have one favor to ask. That's that you click on the share button, share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter account today. Also, be sure to click on that share button, click on the link, copy the link, paste it into emails and text messages to share the good news with your friends and family today. So let's get on. Let's get on there with the show. Let's come back over here with a weekly vaccine rollout report. Okay. So we can see your total doses are trending up towards 40 million doses. Okay. The total number of people received at least one dose. That's up towards 25 million there. Number of people receiving the fully dosage. Okay, that's above 15. Let's say 17 million. What's the population of Spain? Population of Spain.
In 2019, the population of Spain was 46,937,000.
Okay, so your population is at 46 million plus. One source I read said a 50% full vaccination rate to begin to really see the effects of the positive effects of the vaccine. So 46 million would be say 23 to 25 million. Your current so you're on a single dosage rate. You're close to that 50% number, but you only about 17 million. So you have another 10 million to go to reach that 50% number. Okay. Let's see, daily. See, this is new COVID-19 vaccine doses administered only calculated for consecutive days. I'm not sure what that means. The new COVID-19 vaccine administered 7-day smoothing pattern. The trend continues to move upward here. Total number of vaccine doses administered per 100 people. It's a different way to see the data. Okay. New vaccine doses administered 7-day smooth per 100,000 people. Okay. So the good news there is that your vaccine program is continuing to roll along. Let's move on to the daily numbers now. Okay. You can see Spain currently has 3.8 million cases, 80,800 deaths. And in trending mortality, this means that the ratio between case and death is increasing. It has nothing to do with whether or not the daily numbers are increasing or decreasing a lot. But what you can see, of course, you can see a continuing downward. Well, yeah, you can see that you can pretty much see the downward trend continuing in cases. The 28th was a little higher than the previous 2 or 3 days, 4 days, but the moving average is still down around what is that? It's still down around 5,630 for a 7-day average. What about this over here for deaths? Deaths continue to decline. Here on the 28th, June 28th, you reported 10 deaths. For the 7-day period ending June the 23rd, you were averaging 22 deaths per day. You can see this nice continuing pattern here, from all the way up here to all the way down here. This number is about 25,000 cases per week then. Deaths, well, if this is 22,000, this is 1,000. So this means currently your weekly deaths are less than about 500 per week. Okay. Monthly cases, looks like there's a chance you may have that June's numbers could be lower, the lowest numbers in 4 months. Okay. Deaths could wind up being the lowest number of deaths since all the way back over in August. So there is very good news for Spain today as far as the COVID-19 cases and deaths. I do have one small favor to ask before I let you go. That's that you click on the share button, share this video with your friends and family today. Share it on Facebook and Twitter. You can even copy and paste the link to the video into emails and text messages. But by all means, share the good news with your friends and family in Brazil that the cases and deaths are continuing to decline in Brazil. Thanks so much for your time, Brazil. Don't forget to click the share button. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.